This video will give you a quick introduction into what you can expect from the Takealytics platform. The Takealytics platform has two key products, the product finder and the product tracker. Let's start with the finder. To search our database of over 100,000 products on Takealot, you'll want to use the product finder. In the search box, you can enter what department we're interested in searching in, let's say beauty, and then select which specific categories. Alternatively, you can leave this blank. We can then edit the filters as we see fit. For example, let's search products with a minimum price of 100 Rand, a maximum price of say 500 Rand, a minimum estimated last 30 days of sales of 30, and a minimum estimated last 30 days of revenue of say 20,000 Rand. You can then click search, and in a few seconds up pop your results. Looking through the results, you can see the price of each product, the number of reviews, the average rating, number of competitors, last estimated 30 days of sales, and estimated last 30 days of revenue. Taking a scroll, you can then pick out what product looks interesting to us. To view a particular product on Takealot, click these three dots and select View on Takealot. Looking at this product listing, say I'm interested in digging deeper and potentially stocking a similar product in my Takealot store. I can copy the URL, switch back to my Takealytics dashboard, and look to add this product to my product tracker. The product tracker provides accurate estimates for specific products. It can track any item on Takealot, offers more precise estimates, and allows you to search for data on individual products. I therefore want to use the finder to discover potential products to sell, and then the tracker to verify data with more accurate estimates. This enables me to avoid loading up on inventory for products that have seen, say, strong seasonally high sales in the last 30 days, but are no longer selling even close to the same number today. Additionally, should I want to view data on a product not currently in our 100,000 product database, the product tracker enables me to do so. So switching back to the product tracker, in the top right-hand corner, I can click Track Product, paste the URL, and then click Track Product. And within a few seconds, you can see I'm now tracking the product. Over the next few days, I can check back in and see the sales volume of this product. As you can see, I've been tracking this beauty sponge for the last 5 days. It sold 65 units and made 7,800 Rand in revenue. I've also been tracking this perfume for the last 6 days. It sold 76 units and made 54,264 Rand in revenue. Should I decide that a product isn't for me, I can then click on these three dots and select Delete, and then it's gone. If I want to go and find new products to track, I can then start a new search in my product finder by going to the right-hand corner and selecting New Search. So that's a quick tour of the Takealytics platform and what you can expect. For more how-to videos and best practice tips, please see the Takealytics blog or YouTube channel. Alternatively, please reach out to our team at support@takealytics.co.za.